Affiliate marketing has been one of the most income generating parts of my online business, so I'm really passionate about it and I can't wait to tell you everything that I know about how to get started. My name's Lane, this is my channel. It's so awesome to have you joining me today. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. It doesn't take anything from you. It just takes a millisecond of time. But when you like the video, it really helps for this video to be shared to more people, which I'm not gonna lie, that's what I want. I want more people like you to be able to see this. This video is part of a larger playlist on passive income. If you missed the first 3 videos, you can check them out right here at this link. The first thing that we have to do is define affiliate marketing. What is it? Simply, affiliate marketing is when you refer someone else's products or services and get paid to do it. And particularly, you get paid when the people that you refer go on and make a purchase. So it can sound kind of complicated and confusing, but really that's all it is. You're affiliating with someone's product, you're affiliating with someone's service, and when someone goes on to purchase that product or service because of your referral, you get paid for that referral. And this is really nothing new. I mean, think about all of the products and services that have had referral programs where you refer a friend and you get 50% off or this, that, or the other thing. It's just that the internet has made it more automated and easier, and it's given us a way to actually get paid directly when our referrals lead to customers for someone else. It's pretty cool. So real quick, I want to talk about what affiliate marketing is not, because sometimes this gets confused and I think it's unfortunate. Affiliate marketing is not network marketing. That's a totally different thing. That's MLM. I might do a video on that. Affiliate marketing is not something that you have to recruit people to or get people under you. It's literally just referring someone to buy a product. If they want to buy it, they can. If they don't, doesn't matter. But if they do, you get a commission. It's really that simple. The other thing that it's not is it's not a get rich quick type of situation. In fact, none of these passive income ideas are get rich quick. Rather, each one of these ideas are meant to stack up on top of each other so that eventually you have a lot of income streams coming in from a lot of different places that all together add up to something really significant. So now that we know what affiliate marketing is and we know what it's not, I want to spend some time talking about why affiliate marketing is such a great thing to do. If you think about it, it's a win-win-win.
Win-win-win.
Let me tell you why it's a win-win-win. First of all, it's a win for the person that you refer the product to. And the reason why is because if you're doing this right, you're referring products and services that you actually like, that you actually enjoy, that you actually use, and you know they're going to be helpful to the people that you refer them to. So when you refer a product or a service or a piece of software to someone and they use it, that's a win for them. The thing to keep in mind with affiliate marketing is the price is the same for the customer, whether it's been referred to them or not. So if they see a link to a product and it's been referred by someone else, it's not like the price has been raised. That's not how it works. The price is the same, it's just that you get a commission of that sale. So it's like the creator of the product is sharing the profit with you because you're the one that referred the product. So it's a win for the customer because if it's a good product, they're paying the same price and they've had the chance of hearing from you why it's worth their time, why it's worth their investment, why it's a good idea. So it's a win for the customer. It's also a win for the company because they get basically advertising on their products. And if you have an audience, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have a blog, if you have people that follow you on social media, it's worth a lot to the company to have you talking about their product. They love that, which is why they create these programs, because they know that they could spend a bunch of money on ad spend, but it's far more valuable for people who have influencers, people who have influence over a certain audience of people that are targeted and listening to what they say. They know them, they like them, they trust them as a person of influence in their life. And when that person says, hey, I use XYZ piece of software and it's really great, the company knows that there's a percentage of people that are going to buy because of that recommendation. So it's a win for them to offer these kind of incentives for people to promote their products. So it's a win for the customer, it's a win for the company, and finally, it's a win for you, the affiliate, because you don't have to create the product, you don't have to offer the service, you don't have to complete the sale. All you're doing is saying, hey, customer, I really like this product. All you're doing is saying, hey, people who follow me, people who know me, like me, and trust me, I have been using XYZ product, XYZ service, XYZ software, and here's what I like about it. And here's my honest review. And if you want to check it out, here's my referral link. I would love for you to do that. I get a small commission when you do. So as the affiliate, you didn't have to hold inventory. You didn't have to ship anything. You didn't have to create anything. All you did was refer, and you get paid to do it. The easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is through something like Amazon Associates Program. This is where you just get simple referral links where if you have a product that you like on Amazon, you can share that link. And if people make a purchase using that link, you get a percentage of the sale. And with Amazon, the cool thing is if they go on to buy anything else within a 24-hour period, even if they don't buy the product that you referenced, you get a commission for everything they buy within 24 hours. Pretty cool. So with my Amazon affiliate, I've had all kinds of things purchased because of people clicking on my link, going through, making a purchase, and then I get a commission for all that. It's pretty awesome. But Amazon's not the only one. Walmart has an affiliate program. Target has an affiliate program. Best Buy has an affiliate program. I mean, basically anywhere where there's products sold and people are buying them, you can become the one to show those products to people and get paid to do it. So what I would recommend to get started with that is go to Amazon first because they're the biggest online retailer. People are on there shopping every single day, and there's products that you buy on Amazon that you could begin promoting to your audience right now. One thing that I did as I was experimenting how to make money online through affiliates is I actually created an entire YouTube channel that is nothing but product reviews. I just talk about products and I put links to the products in the description, and that channel makes me money every single month. I haven't added to it in a long time, but those videos are very searchable and people find them, they click on the links, they buy the products, and I make money. It's pretty cool. The second way that you can make money through affiliates is by recommending the software that you use. If you're in online business, that means that you most likely use an email service. You most likely have some kind of platform that delivers your online courses. You have software that helps you track your analytics. You have software that helps you grow on YouTube. You have software that helps you manage your books. There's just no end to how many different pieces of software that you can utilize in an online business. Well, guess what? Every single one of those pieces of software have affiliate programs. And if they don't, they should, because all their competitors do. So for example, I use a tool called Kajabi, and Kajabi is an amazing platform that is an all-in-one business platform solution. It has my online courses, my email service, my landing pages, my sales pages, my email sequences, my website. All of it is hosted and managed within this one tool. It's a pretty amazing thing. Well, I'm an affiliate for Kajabi. I recommend it highly because it's something that I use, but I also recommend it to anybody that I coach and anybody that I'm working with on their online business. And so in the description of this YouTube video, for example, you can find my link to Kajabi. Kajabi normally gives you a 14-day trial, but with my link, you can get 28 days of a free trial. And you can even take a course that they made called the 28-day challenge that the creators of Kajabi actually put together to help you begin to take action with Kajabi, building out your courses, building out your site, building out your email list in the first 28 days. So that link is in the description. You can click on it below. What I just did there is affiliate marketing, right? I told you about a software that I use, and I told you about the link that you can click on in the description of this video to go check out that product. If you click on that link and you start a trial and you become a customer, I get a commission for that at no additional cost to you. In fact, it's better for you because you get a longer trial than they offer straight through their website. That's an example of a software turning into an affiliate product. So if you do anything online, I would look at what are the products and tools and software that you use to manage your online business, to host your website, to host your podcast, whatever you use. If they have an affiliate program, you might as well recommend it to people that follow you because you could make a little bit of money. Again, it's all about the stacking, just one thing on top of another on top of another. Then finally, the third way that you can use affiliate marketing is something that I'm really excited to tell you about. But before I do, I want to offer something free to put in your hands. And that is my free, super simple guide to your first $500 online. This is a guide that I put together to help put all these pieces together when you think about online business, like where do I start and how do I do it and what are the tools that I use. This guide has it all, and you can find it at lanesebring.com/super simple. So the third way that you can get started with affiliate marketing is by recommending other people's courses. So if you're beginning to build an audience and one day you hope to have training and online courses and you hope to build out a whole product suite, that's awesome. But if you're just getting started, you may not have that. Well, there's probably people in your niche that have really great products, really great courses, really great training that they've already put together, and they might have affiliate programs with that. In fact, in my Preaching Donkey business, when I first started, I didn't have an online course. I had a couple books, but I had no course. But I had a good friend over at another site called Rookie Preacher. He put out a course. I thought it was really valuable, and so I was an affiliate for his course before I had one of my own. And so that worked out well because I was able to tell my audience about this really helpful resource that I didn't have to build, I didn't have to make, I didn't have to create it, I didn't have to deliver it, but I could recommend it and get a little piece of the sale. It helps my audience, it helps my friend, and it helps me. Again, win, win, win. That's what we're going for. So again, simple links are a great place to go if you're just getting started. Recommending software and services that you use is another awesome option. And then finally, number 3, if there are people in your space that are already making training products and courses, and if they have a referral program, definitely be a part of that, especially before you have products of your own. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which one of those are you going to get started on first? What questions do you have? Be sure to check out the rest of this playlist right here. Give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.